pediculi, okay, or lice. Okay, so it's the mainly external application of the medication to the hair and scalp to remove the pediculi or lice. So this is the like a definition of the or meaning of the pediculosis treatment. Okay, so why we are planning this pediculosis treatment? Mainly to what is the main purpose? To remove the pediculi. Okay, okay, and nits. Okay, nits are nothing but the egg, like a lice eggs. So mainly in Telugu we will call it as a okay. Okay, so because of this only we will get the pediculosis. So that is the reason first. Okay. So what is the main purpose of the pediculosis treatment? Means to remove the pediculi and lice and nits. Okay, nits is nothing but the eggs. Okay, and that's the first part. Second one is to destroy, to remove, and next one to destroy the pediculi and nits. Next one is to promote the